Hi everyone, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to transfer Target gift card to PayPal. So yeah guys, let's start video. I'll show some steps and instruction about this guide. So first off, go into your PayPal wallet on a deposit computer, and after that click on link a debit or credit card, and then tap a link card manually if given the option to link manually or through the bank, so you can easily enter the gift card information. And then what you can do, simply you can tap on link card, and then your gift card transfer to PayPal, so you can easily through this guide transfer gift card to PayPal. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. That's it guys, see you in the next video, bye.